fashion. Hey guys, it's Tina here. Welcome back to another episode of Tina Tries It. In today's episode, I will be giving myself a lash lift. If you guys are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Tina. Make sure you hit the subscribe button to stay updated with future videos that I post. Also, feel free to follow me on Instagram. So I recently bought this online for about $12 for the whole kit, which you can use numerous times. So compared to getting a professional lash lift at the salon, which can cost up to $150 plus, this is actually a super affordable alternative. Now, the only problem is I don't really know where this is made. It didn't actually disclose which country it was made in, but I have seen other videos of other YouTubers try it, so I feel like it's somewhat safe. We shall see. Now, in the past, I've had my lashes lifted maybe like 2 or 3 times. I do have a video up on that, so if you haven't watched it, you can check it out here. Now, the kit I'm trying out today is from Fun Mix Beauty, and it's the Lash Lift kit. Inside it comes with a perming solution, some cleaning tools, and all the solutions that you need, including a lash glue. So the pads look like this, and they come in numerous sizes. I shall use the medium pad today. On the back there are instructions. Some of them a little bit confusing, but I feel like I've watched enough lash lift videos to kind of get the idea of, what to do. So first you have to start off with like a clean area, so I don't have any eye makeup. So I need to stick the pads onto my eyes. I'm hungry. My stomach is rumbling. So first off, I'm actually going to apply the glue onto the pads and then place it on my eyelid. So I'm just going to apply some of that glue on there. So now I'm going to place it onto my lid and then just hold it there for a couple of seconds so that it just sticks onto my skin. I don't think this is meant to be this low. Over my eyes. Okay, this is way too low. Okay, wait. I need to like peel this off and do it again. This glue is just not great. I think I'm gonna use like my normal lash glue. It's so sticky. Oh, it's so sticky. And just press it there. I really hope this works. Why is it supposed to be like this? I feel like it's just very low. I look like I've been punched. Okay, I think I'm just gonna stick with that, and I'm gonna do one eye at a time. Otherwise, look at that. Imagine both eyes like that. I wouldn't be able to see. So I'm just gonna do one eye first. I'm going to paint some glue onto the pad. Then I'm going to use this like plastic tool thing. It has like a little comb side, and I'm going to start to like brush my lashes up. Okay, I think it's working. Now when you do this, I feel like you need to be pretty precise of where you place your lashes, because that's the direction you're going to perm them. So mine, obviously I want mine up, and then the edges will be more like around that direction. I feel like that lash glue in the kit was pretty crap, so I feel like just use your own lash glue, like if you have Duo. I look so dazed. Have you guys watched the Jenna Marbles video where she permed both eyes at once? Like, I don't know how she actually did that, and it was so funny. Oh my god, do I look really scary? This is not my best angle, okay guys? Okay, for this part, you have to be super patient because I feel like my lashes don't want to stick down. I'm gonna use a toothpick instead because I felt like that tool was just not working for me. Yes, toothpick is better. You can just kind of roll your lashes up. I need to be super close because ow, I just poked myself. Oh, it's getting all crusty. Why is my eye getting like crusty at the end? Can you see that? It's all crusty. So I'm just gonna go in and kind of just really work my lashes onto this pad. Make sure it's like fully stuck. And then like any of those like wonky ones, I'm gonna try to straighten it out. Otherwise I'm gonna have like curly looking lashes. I think this part actually takes the longest, just trying to perfect how you lay your lashes down. Ow, I think I just pulled one out. So that's what my lashes are looking like. I try to separate them as much as I could. And I tried to lift those ends, but there's a couple hairs that they're just a bit like stubborn and hard to get. So I'm just gonna leave that. So I'm quite happy with that. I'm gonna put the first solution on. So I'm gonna pop the Perm solution on. It's just hard to open. Oh, the smell is a bit strong. It smells like, you know, the hair perm solution, like those like rollers that grandmas use and they get their like hair or like permed curly. That's what it smells like. So I'm gonna scoop some of this out. I think I got too much. I just want a little bit. Obviously for this part you want to be really, I think I just wiped it on my hair. I just wiped it on my hair. I need to do that again. My whole room smells like a salon now. Okay, so I'm going to carefully just apply it to more of like the roots. Try not to get in my eye. Ugh, the smell. It doesn't sting or anything, it's just the smell is just strong. I'm just gonna go in with my toothpick and just like spread that around. Now this solution I leave on for how long? 8 to 12 minutes. I need to get cling wrap, that's what I need. I need to cover it up with, it says plastic wrap, so I'm gonna go get cling wrap and be right back. So funny, I went outside and Alfred saw me, he was like, what's wrong with your eye? I think I just need like a small piece. So just leave it on like that. I think, yeah. I mean, that's covered, right? Okay, so I'm just gonna leave it on like this, maybe 8 minutes. 8 minutes now, and then we'll move on to step 2. I'm just gonna sit here. It's avant-garde. It's a look. It looks like a squid. Okay, so 8 minutes is up. I'm just going to use another toothpick just to remove that solution, though I feel like the cling wrap removed most of it. Next one, this solution is called fixation. Maybe it just locks in the perm, the curl. It's hard to open. No, this one doesn't smell. It's only the perming solution that really had a funky smell. I'm going to do the same thing and just layer this solution onto my lashes. And again, this is going to be covered with cling wrap and left on for another 8 minutes. 8 to 12 minutes. The cling wrap just touched my eyeball. That's probably not safe. And now we wait. Okay, so time to take this off. And then again, remove all that. And then the next solution is like a nutrition solution, like an oil to help, I guess, like pop some life back into my lashes because I've just permed them. So I'm just going to coat this. So I just apply a layer of this, and then after that I can actually clean my lashes and then remove the pad, and then we have the big reveal. We shall see if it worked. Last step is to use the cleaning solution to clean off all that glue. These little vials are just so flimsy, like little lids. So I'm just gonna rub that all over. It's actually pretty easy to dissolve all that. This actually looks quite promising. I'm excited because that means I saved like $100. Ah! Laptop's not on silent. Shh, shh, shh. And then I'm going to like flick this off and peel my lash pad off. Ooh, more crusty. I'm just gonna remove all that glue off my lid. It's so sticky. Alrighty guys, I think it totally worked. Look how good my lashes look. I'm actually really impressed with myself. I'm proud. I actually did it. I didn't go blind. It was actually pretty easy. I think I just had to like spend a lot of time making sure all the hairs are where I want them before putting the perming solution. But yeah, I feel like this is better than the last time I permed my lashes. Oh my god, they look so long. Oh my god, I'm just so happy. And my eyelids are still very sticky. Okay, I'm gonna do this side and pray that it turns out the same because I'm really loving this. I really like the results. I'm so happy. Okay, so this is what my lashes look like. I feel like they look pretty good. I'm really happy with the results. I think this side is actually more lifted, or is it because my like eyelid? I feel like this side is just not even today. This is my favorite side. Oh yes. So I'm really happy with my lashes. Can you tell? I'm so happy. I'm so glad I didn't blind myself and my lashes didn't go all wonky. Overall, I do like it, and I do like that you're saving a lot of money with this kit because it only cost $12. However, it does take longer because you're doing one eye at a time. I guess you could do both, but I wouldn't advise it because you wouldn't be able to see properly at least. In the past, when I have gotten like it professionally done, it lasted about like 3-4 weeks until my lashes started to drop and kind of go all weird and funny. I don't know how long this will last, but I'll keep you guys posted on my social media, so make sure you follow me on Instagram if you guys want updates. I do really think that this kit is good value. The only thing is the glue. I'm not a big fan of the glue, but you can just use your like normal eyelash glue, and it can be used like over and over again until the solution's finished. So even though it's like a small vial, each time you perm your lashes, you don't actually use that much. So I've already like asked my friends, can I perm your lashes? Do you guys want a lash lift? So if that is it to this episode of Tina Tries It, I hope you guys have enjoyed it. If there are any other products you would like me to try, please let me know in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I shall speak to you guys next time. Bye! Just gonna fly away with my lashes. Yes, 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 yes.